What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be fishing Bayview in Sandusky. I got my friend Jax over.
Howdy.
We just got here not too long ago. We'll get back with you once we get some action. Alrighty guys, just hooked up on another one. Feels like a nice fish. Nice eater size.
Yeah, nice eater size.
You want the net?
Yeah, I'll get to that. He's a hog.
Okay. Here you go.
Look at him. I go underneath here. We're over here. I say we could probably extend the net. Oh, right there he is.
Give Jax that net, please.
Hurry up so you can drop
Careful, that rock's slick. Oh shoot, yeah. Had this guy come up and give us a walleye as we were sitting here. He's watching the poles. Pretty amazing. Just waiting on another fish to get on one of our rods. I got mine set up over here and he's got his set up over there. We'll get back with you once we hook on up.